What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Pip Getterz YouTube channel. Welcome. I am the Professor Pip. Hope all is well. Happy Friday, good Friday. I know I said I was going to do more breakdowns. I took a little vacation, been gone for about 2-3 weeks. Oh well, sue me. Sometimes we get in those modes where we just want to take a break. But thank you for being supportive. Thank you for being a part of the channel, spending time coming by and checking us out. Again, my name is Professor Pip. We're going to go into a Euro-Swiss trade that we took last night. We looked at in our Asia session live. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy. Please don't move. We'll be right back. What's up, YouTube? We are back. Sorry it took me so long, but we're going straight to it. As you can see, we made $6 on a trade last night, Euro-Swiss. Just want to go through the trade with you. First of all, as you know, at Pip Getterz, we use relative strength. Okay, so we make sure that the currencies are strong and weak. We make sure that everything is lining up correctly before we take any trade. Every trade has to have a decision made based on analysis and doing homework, or you're gambling. Okay, we believe that here. So you got to know what you're doing before you get in the trade and make sure the odds are more in your favor. If you were playing cards and you could see the cards, the deck before you got the cards, that would make the odds increase in your favor highly. So just think about it like that. As much information as you can get, it decreases the gamble. Okay, it decreases the gamble. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care if you're driving. I don't care if you're singing. I don't care what it is. If you can decrease the gamble, what you're doing by the more information you have. Okay, so we try to go off as much information, news, and things. All right, so we knew that the euro had been weak. The euro's been weak a long time, actually. Some of us know the Swiss has been strong. Gold has been getting stronger. So if you just look at sometimes the information, just paying attention to what's going on in the world will let you know what to do sometimes. All right, so just getting as much information. We knew that the euro was weak, and we also know that the Swiss has been strong. We've known that for a while. Actually, let's go look at the downtrend. Okay, just from a higher point of view. Okay, it's been going down for a long time. So just to go with over the trade last night, just wanted to get some of that downtrend. Again, I tell people all the time, you don't have to be in a trade for 8 months. Some people like to do that. And you don't have to be in a trade for 10 years or hours, or some people are in a trade for a couple minutes, you know. So it's just on what fits your fancy. I personally just like to take a couple trades a day, maybe 1 or 2, or maybe 2 a week, okay, depending on how my week goes. All right, so let's continue the mission. As you can see, we have a high here. Okay, we have 750 in the area. Okay, 750 in the area. You know I like quarters theory. Price pops up to the last high. Okay, that broke a low. All right, so price hits our zone and bang. All right, and when you trade correctly and you trade effectively, it doesn't take long price to hit your target. Okay, so it's important to trade effectively and to know what you're doing, because you're just a part of the rhythm of the ocean or the dance. If this was the electric slide, you're in unison with the market. Okay, so I gotta go, folks. I gotta go get something to eat, hang out. I don't want to give you too much information, and I don't want to keep you in front of the computer too long. But thank you for also stopping by, folks. You can also stop by our Patreon page as usual. Okay, you can stop by our also apparel page. All right, if you need more information on how we trade or how to get in touch with us, we are also on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay, thank you folks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button if you find this channel educational or entertaining or helpful in any way. All right. Thank you for so much. And always love somebody other than yourself, from Pip Getterz.